Principal.
God have mercy upon us.
Daddy,
Thaxtedboy, my son.
they give us assignment.
Oh, they gave you guys assignment?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the question?
They say that we should define accounting.
Define
Accounting.
accounting.
Yeah.
Oh, no, my son. That's not a problem. You know, accounting, what is this? Accounting, one. Accounting, two. Accounting, three. So accounting is a process of counting
Money.
Accounting is a process of counting
Money.
Go and get your 10 marks, my son. Yeah, accounting, simple accounting. Process of counting money.
Handicap.